My name is Brian Ivan Sanchez Pegaud, and I have to speak on the subject of who could intervene in the extinction of the bees. They are among the most important living things on the planet, but their numbers are declining with dramatic consequences on whether we should worry about our food in the future and how politics and the economy could intervene to stop the decline of insects. The evaluation report on biodiversity and ecosystem services was published by the Governmental Platform for Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services on the state of nature on our planet. CEDEL collaborated in the preparation of the report, which concluded that around 1 million animal and plant species will be threatened with extinction in the coming decades.
Hello, my name is Jesus Armando, and I will talk about what bees doing naturally. Several of you may already know, but the bees are not only terrorists and young on who approach their honey to defend it, but they have a great job that consists of pollinating the fauna in order to obtain rescue for the honey and in turn reproducing the flora in pollen change between the flora. So we call live in summary. What bees doing naturally is to pollinate more plants for the benefits of bees and plants.
My name is Fidel Chaparro, and I will talk to you about and we in the extinction of bees and problem. As a consequence, the disappearance of bees can prevent or drastically reduce the production of many plant species, which can result in the loss of biodiversity and imbalance of ecosystems. Agricultural production is also at risk, which could have a strong impact on the global economy. Although agriculture and livestock activities are lucrative, many of their processes may be compromising their future.
Of the world flowering plants, approximately 80% depend on pollinators for their reproduction, and many of the foods we eat today are made from these plants. The crops, such as bells, peppers, and strawberries, are mainly wind-pollinated and self-pollinating, but their seeding rates are higher with the presence of pollinators, such as pumpkins and melons, which require pollinators for fruit and seed production. There are several types of animals that act as pollinators, including some birds and bats. But the most important pollinators are insects, and some of the most efficient pollinators are bees. That means.
Hi, I am Rodrigo, the editor of this video, and I talk about it. Why are the bees disappearing? Pesticides on bees. In Oregon, 50,000 bees died from the effects of a pesticide, as an example of how various substances can affect them. But in Europe, specifically takes use of a particular type of fertilizers called neonicotinoids, later destroying bee mites. The varroa mite is one of the greatest enemies of bees and one of the main causes of their disappearance.
Open strange doors that we never close again.